How to share your Plex library. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can share library on Plex. Now if you're willing to do so on your application, unfortunately there is no any option right here. If I show you up, if you head into settings and if you head into manage library access, you can see it's locked. It might be that it is a pass feature, so I don't have pass, so it's not showing up, but there is a quick way to it. What you can do is you can head over to your browser. If you are already on the browser on your web, then it's excellent, but if you are on phone, then you want to head into plex.web. So you want to type in plex.web and tap and go. Then you want to head into the first link there. Once you do so, you want to log into your account here. You want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. In my case, I'm already logged in, so you'll get an interface like this. Then you want to tap on account settings. Now, once you tap on account settings, your list of options will load up. At the left hand side, if you zoom in right here, you can see manage library access option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you can see accounts with library access, and you can see grant library access option. Tap on it, and now you'll have to enter a Plex username or select someone from the list. If you have already friends, the list will pop up. I don't have any friends, so you'll have to enter in the username or email, and then you'll have to tap on continue and grant them access. So this is the way that you can share library on Plex. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.